I wear pink shoes and shirts too. I am still a man. I do the laundry and the dishes. I am still a man. I can paint a wall and I paint my nails. I am still a man. I like wearing heels, but I am still a man. I'm a stay-at-home dad, but I am still a man. I have longer hair than my bae, but I am still a man. I wear pearls, faux fur, and even dresses. I am still a man. I wear makeup and trim my brows. I am still a man. I love flowers and braids. I am still a man. I wear nose ring, but I am still a man. I dye my hair pretty pink. I am still a man. I cry, even weep. I am still a man. No matter how you live and what you do, you are still a man as long as you choose to be one. Happy International Men's Day.